Hi dear all, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss future continuous tense. In the last video, we have started future tense. We discussed simple future yesterday. What is future continuous tense? Future continuous denotes an action as going on or continuing or progressing at some point in the future. ഭാവിയിൽ ഒരു നിശ്ചിത സമയത്ത് തുടർന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു പ്രവൃത്തിയെയാണ് ഫ്യൂച്ചർ കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ടെൻസ് സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. We can see some examples here. In these sentences, future continuous tense is used. He will be writing a letter. അവൻ ഒരു കത്ത് എഴുതിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക ആയിരിക്കും. They will be playing football. I will be writing exam. She will be driving the car. ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക ആയിരിക്കും, കളിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക ആയിരിക്കും, കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക ആയിരിക്കും എന്നുള്ള പ്രയോഗമാണ് ഫ്യൂച്ചർ കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ടെൻസ്. That means an action that is continuing at some point in the future. What is the form of future continuous tense? Will be plus V1 ing, or sometimes shall be plus V1 ing is used also. This can be used along with both singular subjects and plural subjects in English sentences. What is the time word used for future continuous tense? While, when, then, plus tomorrow. We can see through some examples. At 10 a.m. tomorrow, he dash write a letter to his father. That means at 10 a.m. tomorrow, he will be writing a letter to his father. At that time, he will be engaged to write a letter to his father. That is a continuous action at some point in the future. Tomorrow, at this time, she dash drive the car. Tomorrow, at this time, she will be driving the car. So in an exact time, at this time tomorrow, she will be in this activity, will be driving the car. The man dash tour next summer vacation. The man will be touring next summer vacation. In the next summer vacation at this time, he will be in tour. That means that action will be a ongoing action in the next summer vacation. So these actions are continuous action going to happen in the future. Here you can see through a timeline, past, present and future. In the future timeline, you can see that action at 10 a.m. he will be writing a letter to his father. That activity, writing the letter, he has started early before 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. that activity is continuing. You can see through this timeline, and tomorrow at this time she will be driving the car. That means at this time tomorrow that activity will be continuing. So this is future continuous tense. We can understand more examples. That means future continuous actions will be expressed ongoing actions in the future. When you dash come tomorrow, I will be dash read this novel. This can be expressed. That means an action going on in the future, and that time itself another action takes place. When you come tomorrow, I will be reading this novel. നീ നാളെ വരുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഈ നോവൽ വായിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക ആയിരിക്കും. Then one action is put it in simple present, and that continuous action is put it in future continuous. That sentence also can be expressed using simple future and future continuous. When you will come tomorrow, I will be reading this novel. നീ നാളെ വരുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഈ നോവൽ വായിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയായിരിക്കും. That means that these sentence can be expressed in both ways using simple present and simple future action. And the continuous action must be put it in future continuous tense. Then while he dash watch TV next week, I dash study for exam. While he watches TV next week, I will be studying for exam. While he will watch TV next week, I will be studying for exam. In the first sentence, simple present is used along with future continuous tense. That means continuous action is studying, so that is put it in future continuous. And in the second sentence, he will watch TV next week is expressed in simple future, and continuous action studying is expressed in future continuous tense. See these examples here. My sister dash play tennis when I dash read a novel tomorrow. My sister will be playing tennis when I read a novel tomorrow. That can be interchangeably used in sentences. My sister will be playing tennis is a continuous action, and that time another action takes place when I will read a novel. ഞാൻ നാളെ ഒരു നോവൽ വായിച്ചു കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ മൈ സിസ്റ്റർ എൻ്റെ സഹോദരി ടെന്നീസ് കളിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക ആയിരിക്കും. പ്ലേയിങ് ടെന്നീസ് ഈസ് എ കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ആക്ഷൻ, സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് പുട്ട് ഇറ്റ് in present future continuous tense, and the other action in simple future action. My sister will be playing tennis when I read a novel tomorrow. That second part of the sentence is put it in simple present tense, and continuous action, that is playing tennis, is put it in future continuous tense. Use of future continuous tense is to express fixed or routine events. I will be staying at Taj Hotel in Mumbai. It is a fixed action or a fixed plan. That means I am going to stay at the Taj Hotel in Mumbai. Both are correct in usage and meaning. There is no change of meaning. Both are continuous action. Then we can see some questions. How to make questions in future continuous tense. Will you be working in the office at this time tomorrow? It is a question of I will be working in the office at this time tomorrow, or the answer may be that I will be staying at the Taj Hotel in Mumbai. What is the question? Will you be staying at the Taj Hotel in Mumbai? The rule of question that we have to take auxiliary, then put it at the beginning, and later we have to use subject. They are correct here. There is no change in that pattern. Then we can see how some negative words or negative sentences are made using future continuous tense. See these negative sentences. Will you be working in the office at this time tomorrow? The answer for this question is a negative sentence. No, I will not be working in the office at this time tomorrow, or I won't be working in the office at this time tomorrow. Then I will be staying at the Taj Hotel in Mumbai. Will you be staying at the Taj Hotel in Mumbai? No, I won't be staying at Taj Hotel in Mumbai, or I will not be staying at the Taj Hotel in Mumbai. You make a lot of sentences. Thank you for watching this video.